Hi everyone, welcome back to another Workout Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. For the past 2 weeks, I've been providing you videos about building social media content pillars and the storytelling process with social media content. It's been a lot of talking at you, which can become very dense and boring with content. Therefore, I want to provide you with a video tutorial this week. This way, we can get back to the true purpose of Workout Wednesdays, which is to provide you with actionable items to help you build your business. So with all that being said, let's begin. For today's video, I will be showing you everything that CapCut has to offer for creating a video on social media. To start, CapCut is a video editing app that can be used to edit and cut up your video clips, add captions to your videos, add templates to your videos, and even use a teleprompter for video scripts. Let's head into the CapCut app on my phone so I can show you all the tools that are available within the application.
So once you have the actual CapCut app open within your phone, you are going to see two primary tabs that you are most likely going to use a good portion of the time if you're in the app. These are the Edit tab and the Templates tab. First, we're going to focus on the Edit tab. So the first thing I want to focus on in the Edit tab is these features here in the top of the screen. You see I've optimized my app to include the camera feature, the teleprompter feature, and the auto captions feature. These might not be at the top of your screen whenever you first create an account with CapCut. In order to get those to the top, you are going to need to click the expand button here, and this will reveal all the features that are available within the Edit tab. Now, in order to get things to the top up here, you will just need to simply hold down one of these gray squares and you can move it freely within all of these features and reorder them as needed. And then whenever you get it to a desired spot, you can simply just let go. And that's so super simple. You can get whatever feature you want, whatever you feel like you're going to use pretty often up to the top so you can access it quickly. But for our case, we are most likely going to be using the camera, teleprompter, and auto captions features. Now, if you click here into the camera feature, you are automatically, you are automatically going to be taken to a camera in the app. This is your front-facing camera, and then you just saw my selfie camera here. But this is what it's going to look like if you do use the camera feature. We will walk through some of the features now here. Add sound is going to be for whenever you want to add a trending audio. It will give you a number of features within it. The trending audio, whatever kind of feeling you want to portray in your video or kind of genre of music you want to do. Trending is probably where you're going to live a lot because trending audio is going to be pretty easy to get better reach for your videos. Something else that you can do that I just noticed is very interesting. If you have a TikTok account, you can link your TikTok account to CapCut so you can get trending audios that are popular on TikTok. So for all of our realtors out there that are using TikTok for their social media accounts, definitely look into that. So next, into these features here on the side, you are going to see that we have the flip camera. That was, again, to switch between the front-facing and selfie-facing camera. The teleprompter feature, which is going to include a script for you to read off of for whenever you're filming, make it a lot easier to eliminate those filler words and kind of get your point across for whenever you're filming. You are limited to 5,000 characters for this, but for the timing of the video, which I'll explain momentarily, it should be plenty of characters that you can feature within the teleprompter. The next feature here is going to be the speed duration or the speed of the video. That is, if you want to quicken the video, you're probably not going to use this that much unless you're trying to fast forward through a certain part of the video. It can probably get a little complicated, so I would just not worry about that. The three dots are going to be your filters. Any kind of filter you want to add to the video can be found here. These are different from effects, so like green screen effects, those will not be found here. These are just simply filters that you can put on. The stopwatch is going to be a timer for you. These are if you want to delay start to your video. It's going to be whenever you press record, if you want a little bit of delay so that whenever you want to get in position, if you want to hold your phone a little bit higher and kind of get yourself into frame, then you can do that with a delayed timer. There's options for 3 and 7 seconds with that one. Flash is obviously everybody knows Flash, and then the pixel rating here for 1080p, that is the highest setting, so you definitely want to keep it at 1080p. And then for our durations of videos, I would recommend you stay in the 60-second range. Obviously, that's going to be a good portion of video that is long enough. It's going to be the maximum amount of time you can use for a reel on Facebook and YouTube Shorts if you post on YouTube Shorts. But if you're posting across several different platforms, say like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you're going to want to optimize your video for the platform that has the shortest amount of time available. So if you're doing, like I said, across those 3 platforms, you're going to want to keep your video to 60 seconds so that it can be posted to all 3 platforms. For effects, this is where you're going to find green screen effects. So if you click in here, it's very easily found. You can click here into green screen, and then these are all of your options for green screening. So I would definitely check that out. Green screening is a great opportunity to add a little bit of a flair to a video, get some explainer videos that work pretty well, especially in real estate whenever you're dealing with a lot of complicated instances. It could be a great opportunity to do a social media video with a green screen effect. For the bottom here, you will see one shot and multi-clips. I would highly recommend you use multi-clips because that will allow you to stop and start your video and it won't delete those 2 seconds or however many seconds you just did. It allows you to make kind of quick cuts without editing in the post-production process. So I would definitely use the multi-clips option. And if you're trying to film multiple instances in a video, it just makes your life a lot easier. So definitely utilize that. Now, for whenever you're ready to actually edit, you now have a different screen. Again, you can add sound up here, but again, you get your filters here. If you want to adjust any of your clips, you can do that. If you want to shorten a clip or make a clip longer, you can take these white tabs here on the very edge and kind of move them in and out. Text, you can add any kind of text as an overlay to the video. Voiceover, if you are filming a kind of general area of Jacksonville and you want to explain that area, this is a good opportunity to do voiceover. Captions, for whenever you are explaining something, you definitely want to, if you remember from previous week's video, we want to optimize for the video to be on mute whenever people are viewing it. You want to optimize for no sound, so you definitely want to utilize captions in your videos anytime you are talking. Effects, stickers, audio effects are however you would like to use those. I don't use them that often, but you're definitely more than allowed to do it. So whenever you finally have all of your video edited and are ready to post it, you would click save there, that blue button at the bottom that I just clicked, and then from here you can post it out to any of your social media accounts. All you have to do is have that app on your phone, and it will prompt you to go to that app. Now, moving on to the second piece of information for the tabs that are most likely going to be used here, the templates tab. If you've ever seen any kind of meme video on Instagram or TikTok, any kind of overlay of a meme on top of another video. This is where most people get those kind of templates. It's opportunities to be a little bit more funny, kind of make people laugh. If you have a interesting take on something and think you can use one of these meme overlays, these are great opportunities. Definitely check out what some of our other realtors are doing in these. I know Thomas Bells has used them before. He makes some funny videos with a lot of these. I don't know if he uses CapCut. He most likely does, because this is, I think, the only place that I really know of where you can get these templates easily. But yeah, definitely worth a shot looking around in here and figuring out what you can do.
And that covers it for our CapCut tutorial today, figuring out how you can utilize it to create videos on social media effectively and efficiently. I hope that this was very beneficial to you, a good tutorial. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to our creative services email. That email should be popping up on screen right now so that we can get that question straightened out for you. Other than that, as always, we will see you next week. Take care.